Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about the overall crypto market. In the first part, the second part, we'll be talking about the crypto coin screener where we discover crypto gems using our data analytics approach, and the last part would be the AI based price prediction for one of the crypto gem for today, which it is Near protocols Near token. So let's get started. The heat map that you're seeing on the screen is the cryptocurrency market heat map, excluding stable coins, and this is tracking the performance of crypto market over the past week. And you can see that uh, since the crash of yesterday, uh, most of the major cryptos are in the red. That is, they have corrected or have a slight correction over the past 7 days. Bitcoin has been down by 1%, Ethereum down by 8%, BNB 3.5% down, XRP 9% down. Solana has been an exception, 27% up. Another notable Cardano has been flat. Another notable exception is Avalanche, up by almost 67%. Polygon down by 3%, Chainlink down by 7.5%, Dot is up by 4%. So that's the status of the market. Still, Bitcoin is well above $700 billion in market cap, and Ethereum about $235 so $1 billion in market cap. This is the weekly view. I'll just check the monthly view. If you go to the monthly view, Bitcoin has been up is up by almost 28%, Ethereum up by 25% almost over the past month, XRP 23%, BNB 15%, Solana 140%. That's a notable mention. Avalanche 135%, Chainlink up by 85%, Polkadot by 44%, Cardano, ADA by 50%. It's all up if you look at the monthly view. But over the past week, there has been some weakness. The last day has been largely flat. This is the performance, the past 24-hour performance, largely flat to neutral, neutral to slightly bearish, uh, with most of the names in the gray region, which is flat, and dark or dark red, which is less than 1% drop. So that's the nature of the crypto market right now, the overview. The second part we will be talking today is looking at the top 50 cryptos by market cap, which of them have a healthy volume, that is more than 5% of its market cap being traded, and also a performance that is a rally of almost 75% or above over the past month. So those are the major beneficiaries of the bull run that we had. The following are the eight cryptos that fit the bill. The first by market cap is Solana, which rallied more than 75% and has a market cap of about 25 billion. Then Avalanche, Chainlink, Caspa, which is a recent launch, Thorchain's Rune, and Near protocols Near, which we are going to talk extensively today in our AI-based recommendations or price predictions. Then Immutable X and Injective. That is the list of eight cryptos. The another way to look at it is their performance over the last 24 hours. Everything apart from Near has been down uh, between 5% and 15%. Near is up by 6%. The market cap is around $2 billion, $1.84 billion to be precise. Volume is well over 20% of its the market cap, 375 million. Circulating supply is around 1 billion, and the category the type of crypto is smart contract platform and layer 1. So this is the overview, and let's check at the performance and do a comparative analysis. You can also pause the video and do the analysis for yourself. Near has been, although today it's up by 6%, the past month it has been up by 82%. But if you compare the year to date performance, near has been one of the laggards if you compare the performance of year to date with other cryptos. So it might suggest, with respect to the other cryptos, near has not rallied that much. So if you have a bullish bias, you can take it as a positive. If you have a bearish bias, you can take it as a negative. Performance over the year has been slightly down, whereas the other cryptos have rallied a lot over the 5 years. Is in context of crypto market has been flat with a rally of about 8%. Okay, and it has been having a higher volatility, about 13%. So this is the second part of our video. For the third part of our video, we'll consider the AI based forecast for near. We'll be presenting the base case, the bull case, and the bear case for near. So the discussion around the base case is commences with first with understanding what we are doing over here is the weekly average price. We are forecasting near's weekly average price for the next 10 weeks. And before we do that, we'll briefly cover the undervaluation, fair value, and overvaluation zones, color by using color codes. So this particular weekly average price chart, since the near was launched, is differentiated into four categories based on z score, which is a comparator between of the current price and average price, and the distance in terms of standard deviation. So when the price is less than $2, you can see the color associated with it is darkest blue. That means the z-score is lower than 0.65, that is to the downside. More than 0.65 standard deviation move to the downside, and that is the the deepest accumulation zone for near, historically speaking, because its peak was at a weekly average was around $18.50. At a daily level it was, I believe, about $22. So uh, and the z-score associated with that peak was 3.5 standard deviation away from the mean. So we'll do a AI based forecast for the 2025-2024 and 2025 bull run on the channel shortly. So if you want to check that out, please subscribe to the channel. I will be making them as the market resets towards the halving year. Another key zone per our data analytics model is price between $2 and $3.50. That's again a light undervaluation zone for near historical speaking, and then the fair value is between $3.50 and $5.50. That's where um, the price is close to the average price for the entire time series. And as the price moves about $5.50, you can see that the color tends to be more and more orange, with peaks at around 18 and a half, and the secondary peak at around $16.50. So this all of this data has been fed to our AI model developed using ARIMA technique and LSTM technique, and the following are the AI based forecasts. And these forecasts or any analysis on this channel is not financial advice. This is use of data analytics, data science techniques to forecast future price action and discover the undervaluation zones. So for this week, which will end in November 19th, the AI based forecast is at $1.72, and as we just checked that the daily price currently is at $1.85. So and we deal with weekly average prices. So this is kind of in line with what we have seen so far for this week. For the next week, per the AI model, the price action at a weekly average would be under $1.70. Then in the first week of the December is $1.73. The second week $1.83. The third week $1.84. Fourth week $1.87. The last week $1.80 almost. The first week of January at around $1.70, and the second week 173. The third 176. I'll cover those values in the tabular format at the end. So the range per the AI model for near for the next 10 weeks is between $1.68 and $1.90. That's the AI based forecast in a base case scenario, that if there is no significant bull or bear rally. So in a bull rally or a bull case, if a continuation of bull rally exists, Uh, the forecast for the next few weeks per the AI model, which considers one standard deviation move in a bullish case scenario to the upside. In that case, per the AI model, the theoretical ceiling that we like to call uh, in a bull case is between $2.50 47 cents, then $2.37 in the next week, then rallies back to $2.41, and then $2.50, and then $2.57 towards the end of the year, and slight pullback to about $2.49, and then $2.52. So in case of a bull run towards the end of the year, the AI based forecast is between $2.37 and $2.63. The last case that I would like to present is the bear case. What if the equal and opposite of bull case materializes, where the price action gets pulled down to the bearish side due to a bearish momentum in the market, and one standard deviation moves to the downside corresponds to these kind of support levels if there is a significant crash in the market. As you can see, this particular crypto has been consistently making lower lows even in this year. You see that it was $1.31, then 121, and now in the latest crash at around $1. Then per the AI model, this if this trend goes back to the bearish side, the range is between almost the lows are between 57 cents in January 14th, week of January 14th, to about the highs would be $1.22. This is the bear case. I'll summarize the three cases. The base case between $1.68 and $1.90. The bull case between $2.38 and $2.64, and the bear case between 47 cents and $1.22. To present this forecast in a tabular format, um, I'll keep this video paused for and check out the three scenarios per the AI model in a numerical tabular format. So, and those are all the forecasts that I had for you today. I hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and check out the other AI based forecasts for top cryptos, especially the one that were covered over the past week, which considers the recent rallying cryptos. So hope you check them out, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.